In this video, we're actually going to be learning how to connect your DSTV stream to your smart TV. So we're actually using a TCL Google TV. Okay, this is very good if you want to actually access DSTV on your TV. Okay, pretty simple. Just watch the video until the end and let's follow step by step. So first of all, you're going to make sure that you have the DSTV stream application in your TV. Okay, that's the first thing. Please make sure you download it. Okay, downloading it, go to search apps, or you can go to your your Play Store in your TV and search for the DSTV stream application and install it. Okay, you're going to open the DSTV stream application. Okay, when you open DSTV stream application, this comes up. You're actually going to see, go to your computer or phone's web browser and visit dstv.com, then enter this code. Okay, now on your phone, on your device with your DSTV stream logged in, okay, you're going to actually do this DSTV stream application on your Android device. Okay, whatever device you're actually using, there'll be an iPhone and all that. So what you gotta do is you're going to open it, and please make sure you're in your particular profile, then tap the more option right there. Okay, now this comes up. You're actually going to see a settings option right here, and make sure you're in your profile, designated profile, then tap settings, and then you're going to see the option of log into TV. Use this option to log in on the DSTV TV app. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to tap this option, log into TV, and then they're going to ask you, please enter the code displayed on the TV. Remember, there was a code which was actually displayed on the TV. So that code was actually shown. So what you're going to do, you're going to put that code in right here. So when you do that, you can actually see right now, you can now access the DSTV stream app on your TV. You can actually see right now, you can now access the DSTV stream app on your TV. You see that? Pretty cool, right? Now you can actually select your particular profile. On selecting that profile that you're actually using, on your left hand side you actually see the search home live TV. To access the live TV, the channels, you press on live TV and you can access all those channels. Then you can press OK on each channel you want to view and then you watch.